When it comes to ensuring a reliable and leak-free exhaust system, the right clamp is crucial. Walker offers a wide variety of clamp styles and sizes to meet your installation needs, helping you achieve a secure connection that lasts. Whether you're replacing a worn-out clamp or installing a new exhaust system, Walker's clamps are built to provide optimal performance and long-term reliability. Constructed from durable and robust materials, these clamps are designed to withstand the harsh conditions of your vehicle's exhaust system. They help to maintain a tight, secure seal, preventing leaks and ensuring that your exhaust system operates efficiently. With Walker's expertise in emissions control and their worldwide OE partnerships, you can trust that their clamps meet the highest standards of quality and dependability. Walker's commitment to excellence doesn't stop with just clamps. Their complete line of aftermarket emissions control parts covers everything from engine to tailpipe, making them a one-stop solution for all your exhaust needs. Whether you're working on a domestic or import vehicle, Walker's parts provide the optimal OE style fit, appearance, and dependability you need to get the job done right. A satisfied customer shared their experience, stating that these clamps work as they should and hold up well under pressure. This reinforces Walker's reputation for delivering durable, high-quality exhaust parts that can withstand even the toughest conditions. With Walker's accessories, you can rest assured that your exhaust system repairs will be both effective and long-lasting. If you're looking for durable, high-quality exhaust clamps to ensure a leak-free connection, look no further than Walker. Click the link in the description to purchase your set of Walker exhaust clamps today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and automotive tips.